Assalamu alaikum again, and a lovely good morning, beautiful, sunny, shiny day. And we're all enjoying, and I hope and pray that you're all in your good health, you're enjoying yourselves and enjoying Ramadan. And I wish that you spend the whole Ramadan that you're full of energy and enthusiasm, and do a lot of prayers and a lot of spread a lot of happiness, care about people, and so everybody will be equally happy. So we are again in front of each other, and right now we are in our numeracy class, and we did a lot of counting, and today we are going to do counting, but not the same, a little different, yes, because we have only done numbers up till now, so we are going to do a little different than that, okay? So let's start what we're going to do today. Yes, as I told you that we are going to do numbers today again, but a little different. How different? We will count and we will write the numbers, but in a different way. Yes, we're going to write the numbers in a different way. Now, what would that would be? I'm going to show you that, right? Now, as you can see that we have numbers over here, and we're going to count how many are there? Now we have one, and two, and three, and four, and five, right? So we have number till from number one till number five, and how we are going to write them today. I am going to tell you. We will be writing them in words, right? We are going to write them in words. So I am going to show you. So first of all, we are going to take out our maths wise book 3. Yes, please take out your maths wise book 3. We will be doing the exercise on the board, and we will be doing that in the book as well. Yes, okay, that's great. So please take out your maths wise book 3. 3. Oh, that's also green and green. Same. Yes. Now we will be doing the exercise on page number 47. Yes. You have to take out page number 47. Okay. Now here you can see a couple of pictures. Yeah, there are different kind of pictures. What are these? These are the clothes you wear. Yes, these are the clothes you wear. So now there are different boxes, and there are different number of clothes which we wear, right? So first of all, we're going to look in the first box. Now, what is this? Yeah, that's a jeans or a pair of pants, right? So they are in this box. Now, how many pants do you see in this box? Yes, there are one. How many? One. What happened to our one? Number one. Okay, now we're going to put it like this. So that stands like this. Okay, right? So how many jeans do we have? One. Okay, now how we are going to write one, that I'm going to show you that how we are going to write one on the board. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. Now let's write one. See, we wrote one like this with one stroke, and now we're going to write it in the in the words. So we are going to write one. Now, let's see. O N E 1. Now, can you see that? O N E 1. So we are going to write one like this. Okay. So you stay here, Mr. 5. Okay. So we can see the numbers, and now we are going to write them in a different way in words, like in spellings, as we are writing the words in our literacy class. In the same way, we're going to write the numbers. Now, how do we write number one? Okay, what I'm going to do is I just want to write it a little big so you can see that, right? So I'm going to write here one. O N E one. Oh, the O has become a little big, so I'm just going to make it a little small. I'm just going to write it again. O N E 1. Okay, so in the same way, you can see there is something written here. O N E 1. O N E 1. Right? So now we are going to take out our pencils and we are going to write O N E 1. Right? So we are going to write this O N E 1. So we will just put all of them over there and we are going to write 1. Okay? So you can only see 1 over here. So O N E 1. O N E 1. So you're going to write it over here. It's a little small, but I hope you'll be able to write that. Okay. So O N E 1. Yes, come on. Put your book flat and start writing O N E 1. Yes, that's great. Write O N E 1. Yes, this is a little small, but you will be able to write that. Now there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 times they have written 1. So you're going to write this and this. O N E 1. O N E 1. Okay, that's great. So is that easy for you? Can you do that? Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. So I'm putting it a little closer so you can see it clearly. Okay, now we are going to erase this and we will put the next number over here so you can even see that. Now we have got number 2, right? We have got number 2. Okay. Now, how many shirts do you see over here in this box? How many shirts do you see over here? Yes, there are 2. Now, we are going to write the number 2 in words like spellings. Okay, now let's write T W O 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. That's great. So you're going to have a look at your book. It's written in the same way. T W O 2. T W O 2. That's great. So holding your pencil, write T W O 2. And you just keep on saying T W O 2. T W O 2. That's great. T W O 2. That's great, right? And you're going to write these 2. This you will do as your homework, right? T W O 2. T W O 2. That's great. Now write it very nicely. You're going to trace the number as well, and you're going to write 2, right? You're going to write it just on the letters they have given, right? T W O 2. That's great. Now, I hope that is easy for you. You can do it nicely. You're not feeling any kind of difficulty in that, right? Okay, that's lovely. That's great. So you've done 2, show me. Okay, that's lovely. Now we will be on our next number. And what's the next number? Yay, next number is 3. That's great. Now, how many skirts do you see over here? Yay, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 skirts. So we are going to write now 3. Now let's see. 3, D, H, R, E, E. Wow, 3. T, H, R, E. Three. Number 3. That's great. Come on, write that. Okay, lovely. Yes. See? 3. 3 and 3. Okay, that's great. Okay, now I just want you to watch a little video of counting, and then we will do the rest of the numbers. Okay? Yeah, that's great. Okay. Hold on. Okay, that's great. Thank you. So we did up till 3, right? Okay, so we did up till 3, and now we're going to do the next number. And the next number is number 4. Yes, the next number is number 4. Yay. Okay. Now have a look at this. Now, how many vests do you see over here in this picture? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. That is great. Now we are going to write number 4 in words now, right? Okay, let's see. F O U R. Yay, that's great. F-O-U-R, 4. Now, in the same way, you can see 4 written over here. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now, you're going to write number 4, trace number 4 over here. Can you see? And then you're going to write number 4. You're going to trace number 4, and you're going to write number 4. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Yes, F-O-U-R, 4. That's great. Okay, lovely. Come on. Now start writing this. Okay, that's great. Okay, have you done that? That's lovely. Okay, now we are going to write number. What comes after number 4? We are going to write number. Yay, we're going to write number 5. Okay, that's lovely. We're going to write number 5. Okay, now how many shorts do you see over here? We're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have got 5 shorts, right? So we are going to write here 5. We're going to trace 5, and we're going to write 5 in words. And we're going to write 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Yes. F, I, V, E, 5. F, I, V, E, 5. That's great. So now have a look at this. 5 shorts, and you can trace 5 over here. I hope you can see that. 5, and then you are going to write F, I, V, E, 5. F, I, V, E, 5. Yes, F, I, V, E, 5. Come on, right? F, I, V, E, 5. Yes. Now you are going to remember the spellings of the numbers, and you know how to trace the numbers. Okay. Now write 5. Now 2 times you have to write 5, and then The rest of that, you're going to do it later on as your homework. Okay. Okay. Now, once again, we are going to revise the spellings. Yes, over here, one pen. Now, you're going to revise with me. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. Yes. Now, how many shirts? Two. Now, T-W-O, two. T-W-O, two. T-W-O, two. That's great. Then, how many skirts do we see over here? How many skirts? One, two, three. Now, T-H-R-E-E, three. T-H-R-E-E, three. T-H-R-E-E, three. Yes. Then how many west over here? One, two, three, four. Yes, we have got four wests. So F-O-U-R, four. F-O-U-R, four. F-O-U-R, four. That's great. And then the last one. How many shots do we see over here? One, two, three, four, five. Five, right? So F-I-V-E, five. F-I-V-E, five. F-I-V-E, five. That's great. Okay, see? So we are learning and counting, but writing in a different way. So we have to learn to write numbers in words, in spellings, and we are going to revise them, and then I hope you're going to remind them. Okay, so you're going to practice it at home, and you are going to learn that. Okay, and even practice writing, and then we will do the rest of the numbers in our next class. Okay, so this was our literacy class, numeracy class, and we did counting, writing in words, and we'll do it tomorrow as well. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class and see you in the next class, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay, so I hope to see you soon, inshallah. Till then, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.